By now, you've certainly heard of TikTok. It works a bit different from Instagram or YouTube in that the primary focus is that you just download and install the app and start watching videos, and then the algorithm will learn what types of videos you want to watch, and then will slowly start to build up, learning your profile and viewing habits, and then showing you those videos. It does a fantastic job of tailoring the videos that you specifically want to watch directly to you. So if you're ready to download and install it, I'll show you exactly how to do that. I have an iPhone here, but I'm also going to do the same steps on my Android phone because it works a bit different. So first on iPhone, take your finger and swipe down and type in App Store and tap on the App Store here. Next, tap on Search at the bottom right. And now on the Android phone, here's Google Play Store. If you don't see it, just take your finger and swipe up and search for Play and tap on the Play Store. Tap on Search at the bottom right. And for both of these, we're just going to search for TikTok. You can see there it is, TikTok. And here is TikTok. I can tap on it. On the Android phone, I'm going to do the same thing. Search for TikTok and then tap on TikTok. Now, on your iPhone, it might say Get here, or it might have a little cloud if you've downloaded and installed it before, like I have. So just tap on the Get or Cloud button, and you might need to enter in the password. On Android, just tap on Install, and it will go through the process of installing on both phones. So let me hop out here. If you're not sure where to find it after that, all you need to do on your iPhone is swipe up and type in TikTok. Keep in mind, it won't necessarily pop up until it's downloaded, and you can also just swipe over to the app library and find it there. On your Android phone, just swipe up and then swipe over to TikTok and tap on it. I've already created an account, so I can essentially just sign into my account using my Face ID here, and I'll show you a bit how it works. Of course, you're just going to enter in your email address, etc., and sign up for your own account. But let's just hit skip and don't allow and start watching. And just like that, we can start swiping through and watching videos on TikTok. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. And thanks for watching.